Hello, so today's video is coming from EICMA Milan show. As you can see, it's one of the biggest shows in Europe.
I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my...
Why do we riders come to EICMA? So EICMA's one of the biggest shows in Europe, motorcycle shows. It's actually been a show since 1914. Might have googled that. Yeah, I missed a couple of editions, so it's over 100 years old. And it's basically where a lot of companies release all their new technologies, new models of bikes, and it's really a good place to catch up with everyone. The reason why us riders come here is because it gives us a chance to catch up with our sponsors. Most of our contracts and everything are kind of pre-done from here, so it's more about signing sessions, meeting the fans, catching up with people that you haven't seen probably since this time last year, and generally just enjoying it. I always like coming here and having a little look around at the stand, seeing some things you don't normally see. Cool piece of kit, not quite sure what it's for. It looks like it might be a little bit rigid with the old carbon chassis, but it looks cool.
Steve, Giù, non vale in spalletta, non vale in spalletta. Che anno è arrivato il primo titolo mondiale con stivale Elevate? 2017! 2017 no. 19 no. 20 neanche. 22. 21. Lui dice 23, allora dovete dire che numero di stivale porta Steve? Senza guardare, non vale. 41, 43, aspettate un secondo.
Io lo so.
40! Allora,
No. 42.
Tra loro due, 42,
giusto,
corretto! Quindi consegniamo lo stivale.
lui.
Foto, vieni pure qui.
Questo è un super campione, altro che grande.
State qui perché tra poco altri lancio di gas. Qua mi raccomando, gli insegnamenti non è che me lo vendi poi sui...
There's also some super enduro racing. Yeah, unfortunately I've only been back on the bike a couple of days, so I don't think super enduro race is all that fun. I did race it last year actually. Won the Saturday, well, won 3 out of the 4 races and finished second or third, I think it was, on the first race on Sunday after I got drilled by old Billy Bowl at the start. He got a bit carried away in the first quarter and caused a bit of a pile up. But yeah, it's nice that they've got all these exhibitions on. I think there's Supercross, like kind of adventure bike racing. Yeah, it's generally a good show for everyone.
E allora abbiamo qui i 4 piloti di casa Galfer, ma quest'oggi
Steve's doing his little bit now over here. He's got his signing going on.
la nostra punta di diamante. E signori, guarda,
I think he's lucky the other riders turned up because otherwise it'd be pretty empty, I think.
a lanciare sarò così freddi, ma vuole sentire casino, le mani al cielo al mio 3. 1, 2, 3, casino, signori! La puoi lanciare, signori, pronti a lanciare la maglietta qui dallo stand Galfer.
Diciamo che vado più forte. Guarda che roba ragazzi.
Third time. No, it's not working.
Reset.
Now, yes.
So I just got done with my signing session at 5. Got a little bit of a break now before going to my last signing session of the day on the first day. Going to Iro, so yeah, just going to go and have a little walk around now and see a couple of bikes. Try and catch up with some guys from Honda. Good morning, day 2 is just about to start here at Iro Hospitality. Getting ready for my first signing session of the day and just got a nice cappuccino to start the day. Coffee number 4. Generally, I really enjoy coming to EICMA. The 2 things I really don't like are the traffic coming in the mornings and leaving in the evenings. If you catch it at the wrong time, it can turn an hour trip into hour 45, 2 hours. On the weekends is the people. It's not too bad here at the minute, but yeah, it gets pretty hard when you've got back-to-back sessions to kind of move around. But joys of EICMA on a weekend. A lot of people here. There we have it, EICMA video done and dusted. Hope that's given you guys a little bit of an insight as to what we get up to in these shows. Appreciate you sticking around. If you guys have any ideas of any videos that you want me to shoot over this off season and going into the new season next year, feel free to leave a comment below. Hopefully going to have a couple of project bikes that are going to be finished in the next couple of weeks and hopefully can take them out on track, which will be cool. Hopefully show you guys the journey of my off season. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.